Nutrients that roses need to grow. Roses, like most plants, need specific types of nutrients as their food or diet. These nutrients ensure healthy growth both during the dormant and blooming periods of life. Roses need mainly three nutrients: nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. These give the rose plant an all-around boost of supplements for excellent health. Nitrogen manages its work in the roots and stems of roses. This nutrient promotes healthy growth of these parts and helps maintain a firm base for the rose. Strong web of roots in the soil and strong stems means a strong plant. Phosphorus serves an equally important purpose, working along nitrogen to take care of the roots of the rose plants. Phosphorus ensures that the roots are well enough to absorb nutrients from the soil. Good nutrients absorbing capability of roots from the soil are the key to healthy roses. Finally, potassium works in almost all areas of the plant. Also, in the presence of potassium in the plant's nutritious diet, diseases from harmful bacteria is less likely to occur. Another benefit of potassium nutrients of rose plants is that it produces vibrant colors in both the stems and blooms of roses. Other nutrients roses benefit from are magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, and manganese. With consistent use of these nutrients, you can extend plant life and keep your roses thriving. The appropriate proportions of these nutrients is required for healthy growth of plants. Even if you know which nutrients you need, finding the perfect blend can be challenging. So, for beginners is an advice that they should better consult a gardening expert for the freedom to grow better roses forever.